Well, a very good evening to everyone present here this evening. At the outset, let me start with congratulating IAA India for successfully organizing the Olive Crown Awards 2025 for the last 15 years successively. I was told that this function is being organized for the last 15 years, perhaps a time when sustainability was not a known concept the way it is today. But I'm glad that there were people and organizations like the IAA India which took upon the task of driving the thought of sustainability through young minds, old minds, and people at large. It's because of these efforts by organizations like the IAA, that we see the world taking sustainability very, very seriously. And therefore, we must all applaud the efforts of the IAA in taking up this cause and recognizing individuals, entities, associations who have done remarkably in the field of sustainability. Like we have in our ideology, the Indian ideology, the concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, where we consider the whole world to be our family. And I truly believe that sustainability is the key to keeping each and every global citizen tied to one another. And therefore, I'm of the firm view that this is a responsibility not just of associations and entities like the IAA, it is the responsibility of every individual, every global citizen who believes the world to be his family. And therefore, we must take it upon ourselves to ensure that there is a sustainability factor existing in every task that we take up, in every objective that we set forth, and in every mission that we take upon as individuals, as a group, as citizens, or as a nation. I'm sure that in the times to come, sustainability will be the driving force behind every objective that we set forth. We are aware that India as a nation has taken up sustainability very, very seriously, may it be with regards to the environment commitments that we have, or may it be with regards to the socio-economic patterns that we have, may it be with regards to the social security patterns that we deliver in our country. And therefore, I'm very glad to share with you that not only is the government conscious with regards to keeping sustainability at the center of all its objectives, but let me tell you, as the Speaker of the State Legislature, we have not kept the legislature too far with regards to sustainability. I'm not emphasizing on the political sustainability of governments, but I'm talking about the functionality of the legislature as a whole. As the Speaker of the State Legislature, I have also made an effort to make the state legislature paperless, where in the next few sessions, we'll be making the state legislature completely paperless, where agendas and programs and debates can be seen, heard on an online platform. And there are many other initiatives which we are taking up in the state legislature as well. Needless to state, I can't see of one area where sustainability has not been focused. May it be environment. Look at the way the world is working towards renewables. There was a time when people had written off solar, and today solar is the driving force for the world. Solar energy is something which everyone is absolutely focused on. And after that, we've advanced towards hydrogen energy now. And that is also going to be a landmark achievement in the renewable sector, which of course is going to make the world environment more sustainable. With regards to the social sector also, we have realized that unless we have sustainability in our social linkage, in our social fabric, it is not going to be possible to run or perhaps exist as a union. And therefore, in every aspect of the government, of the legislature, we are all working consciously towards making India and the world a more sustainable place to leave behind for the generations to come. And I am completely sure that each one of you all present here will make a conscious efforts in achieving this objective as individuals and as citizens of this great nation. Needless to state, our economy is turning out to be one of the most sustainable economies in the world today. Undoubtedly, we are growing at a pace of 6.5% to 7% year after year. The economy does not get as impacted as any other economy would get because of world economic crisis, and therefore sustainability in our economic sector is also something which each one of us is proud of. Needless to state, as the Speaker of the State Legislature, I stand committed to making your world and my world more sustainable day after day. Being the Speaker of the State Legislature, you can understand, I hardly get to speak on the mic there, so when I get a mic here, I don't leave the opportunity. And therefore, being conscious about the fact that we need to be sustainable in our speech as well, I shall not deliberate further. And I wish all the awardees of tonight's function all the very best. Congratulations for all the awardees. And those who've not made it this evening, I'm sure there's lots to look upon the next year ahead. My best wishes to all of them. Good luck to all of you all in our endeavors in making this world more sustainable. Thank you for having me here this evening. Good day. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.